Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Fileza File Manager on your device, iPhone or iPad without jailbreak. Fileza is the must-have application on your device. Previously, it was only for the jailbreak users, but now you can install the Fileza File Manager without the need of the jailbreak. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Fileza File Manager no jailbreak on iOS 15 devices using the Troll Store. Along with that, I will also show you how you can install the IPA files using Fileza and how you can edit the system files. You will have access to all the system files, you can edit them. I will also show you how you can change the career name on your device with the Fileza File Manager. First of all, you need to have the Troll Store installed on your device. In this video, I'm not going to cover that will make this video too long. I already have uploaded comprehensive tutorial on how to install Troll Store without computer on your device. I will put its link up in the cards and in the description below. You can go and install the Troll Store. I am assuming that currently you have the Troll Store on your device. Now you need to download the Fileza IPA for iOS 15 no jailbreak. For that, open Safari browser and go to Google and type Fileza no jailbreak IPA Tech Acrobat. Once you search that, open this link. This is the complete tutorial. Scroll down and go into the Install Fileza iOS 15 No Jailbreak section. Here on the step 2, tap on this link. This is Fileza No Jailbreak IPA download link. Tap on here. On the next page, tap on the skip button. It will show you a dialog box to download the Fileza IPA. Tap on the download and Fileza IPA will be downloaded in your device. Hello guys, if you have made this far in this video and you are enjoying this video, hit the like button. That way YouTube will push my videos to the other people. Also hit the subscribe button to help me reach 2000 subscribers. As you can see here, once the Fileza IPA is downloaded, now I will show you how to install Fileza IPA with the Troll Store. Tap on the downloaded file, then tap on the share button at the top and here select the Troll Store. If you do not find the Troll Store icon among these, just tap on the more and select from there. As you select the Troll Store, the Fileza will be installed on your device's home screen. As you can see, the Fileza File Manager is installed on my device without jailbreak on iOS 15. Now you can use it to edit the system files or install the IPAs. I'm gonna show you both of that. First, I will show you how to install IPA files using the Fileza File Manager. For that, of course, you need to have the IPA file in your device already, or you can download one. I already have a few IPAs in my device, so I will use that to demonstrate it. Tap on the IPA file you want to install with the Fileza, then again tap on the share button. Now this time select the Fileza. The IPA file will be transferred into the Fileza page. Here it is. Now tap on this imported file and tap on the install button. This will install the IPA on your device. So that is how you can install the IPA with the Fileza File Manager. Now I am going to show you how you can change the career name using the Fileza File Manager. For that, open the Fileza. I am starting from the var folder, okay? Here is the var folder. From here, go into the mobile folder. Go into the library folder. And here, scroll down and find the career bundle. Here it is. Go inside. Go into the overlay folder. Now here you will find the two plist files. For me, I got the career name in the second plist file. You can check into the both where you find the career name. That is the file to go. Now to edit the career name using Fileza, tap on the I button in front of the plist. Tap on the root. Here you can see the career name. Tap on the career name. On this edit page, you need to change the value of the career name. It's the third field. Now remove the already written career name and put another one. After you have written the value, now before you tap on any button, do not tap on the delete button that you are seeing under the field. Do not accidentally tap on this field, otherwise it will just delete the career name field from your device. Now what you need to do is put in the value and tap on the edit button at the top left corner. I do not need to change it, I am just tapping on the edit button, and once you are on this page, tap on the back button and here tap on the done button. By performing these steps, the career name will be changed on your device. Here is guys how you can install Filza no jailbreak iOS 15 and how you can install IPA files with the Filza and change career name using the Filza file manager. Guys, if you have successfully downloaded the Filza file manager, hit the subscribe button. The next video is coming about installing Blizzard board for iOS 15 without jailbreak. Using the Blizzard board, you can install the themes that will change the icons on your device. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for that tutorial. Thank you for watching.